Meaning of disaffected.
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 Disaffected. The term disaffected refers to a state of being dissatisfied, disillusioned or alienated from something or someone, such as a group, organization or society. A disaffected individual may feel disconnected from the values or goals of the group and may even harbor negative feelings toward it. This can lead to a lack of engagement or active opposition. The result of widespread disaffection within a community or organization can be damaging, potentially leading to conflict, reduced productivity, and a breakdown of trust and cooperation.